You ever wonder why some MMO and MOBA gamers always seem to have the upper hand? It's rarely luck, it's the tools they use. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most capable gaming mice designed for precision, endurance, and customization, the ASUS ROG Spatha X wireless gaming mouse. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. If you're looking for expert, unbiased insight into the products that can genuinely improve your gaming experience, you're in the right place. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. The ASUS ROG Spatha X is more than just a mouse. It's a professional-grade MMO/MOBA weapon engineered for serious gamers who demand speed, reliability, and adaptability. Whether you're playing World of Warcraft, League of Legends, or any fast-paced online game, the Spatha X is designed to ensure every click counts. It's also ideal for creative professionals who rely on precise control and multiple programmable buttons. Let's go through 7 compelling reasons why this mouse has earned the trust of thousands of 5-star reviewers. Reason number 1. Dual-mode connectivity. The Spatha X offers both low-latency 2.4 GHz wireless and USB-C wired modes. Gamers can switch seamlessly between untethered freedom and wired reliability without losing performance. This versatility ensures you stay connected in every environment, whether at home or a tournament setting. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this dual-mode design guarantees consistent, lag-free performance. Reason number 2. 12 programmable multi-buttons. With 12 programmable buttons strategically positioned, the Spatha X allows MMO and MOBA gamers to execute complex macros with precision. 6 side buttons provide quick access to spells, abilities, or in-game commands, giving you a real competitive edge. The customization options are extensive, and the intuitive software ensures every click can be fine-tuned. Reason number 3. Ergonomic right-handed design. Comfort is critical for long gaming sessions. The Spatha X features a large, contoured design with carefully considered weight distribution, supported by low-friction feet and a flexible ROG paracord cable. Whether you're gaming on PC or Mac, the ergonomic structure reduces hand fatigue and supports smooth, natural movement. Reason number 4. Hot-swappable ROG micro switches. Durability meets personalization with hot-swappable switches. Each ROG micro switch offers a 70 million click lifespan. Exclusive push-fit sockets let you adjust click force or replace switches entirely. For gamers who demand consistency and longevity, this feature ensures your mouse evolves with your gameplay needs. Reason number 5. High-precision 19,000 dpi sensor. Tracking accuracy defines competitive gaming. The Spatha X employs a 19,000 dpi optical sensor with a 1,000 Hz polling rate, delivering pixel-perfect responsiveness. Coupled with the DPI on the scroll adjustment, you can instantly adapt sensitivity on the fly, no software required. This level of precision is critical for high-stakes MMOs or fast-paced MOBA matches. Reason number 6. Ultra-long battery life with fast charging. The Spatha X delivers up to 67 hours of battery life with RGB lighting off. Need a quick boost? A 15-minute charge provides up to 12 hours of uninterrupted gameplay. The included magnetic charging dock ensures convenient storage and charging, making it an all-in-one solution for wired or wireless gaming. Reason number 7. Premium build and accessories. The ROG Spatha X comes with a full accessory kit including a magnetic charging dock, USB-C cable, replacement switches, screwdriver, travel pouch, and even a ROG sticker. The PBT keycaps and tactile design give it a refined, professional feel. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, every element of this mouse is engineered to enhance both performance and ownership experience. Final verdict. The ASUS ROG Spatha X wireless gaming mouse is a thoughtful combination of precision, durability, and customization. Limitations are minimal, mainly involving its premium price point and right-hand design. That said, it's best suited for dedicated MMO and MOBA gamers or professionals seeking high-accuracy input with extensive programmable options. Its versatility, robust build, and advanced features make it a standout choice for anyone serious about gaming performance. If you want a gaming mouse that truly adapts to your style while offering longevity and exceptional precision, This is a model worth considering. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Take your gaming setup to the next level with confidence.